Welcome to 10 Daily Medical Questions. Today's topic is hypertension. In this video, we'll cover the definition, types, diagnosis, treatment, and how to approach different patients. Let's dive right in. Definition of hypertension. Hypertension is diagnosed when blood pressure readings consistently show systolic blood pressure of 140 mm of mercury or higher, or diastolic blood pressure of 90 mm of mercury or higher on 2 or more visits. Types of hypertension. There are two main types of hypertension: primary or essential hypertension, which accounts for the majority of cases with no clear cause, and secondary hypertension, which results from underlying conditions such as kidney disease or hormonal disorders. Diagnosis of hypertension. Diagnosis relies on repeated office measurements, but to confirm, ambulatory blood pressure monitoring or home blood pressure monitoring can be used to rule out white coat hypertension. Differentiating types of hypertension. Primary hypertension typically develops gradually and correlates with lifestyle factors, while secondary hypertension often appears suddenly, is more severe, and may not respond to standard treatment. Therapy for hypertension. Management includes lifestyle changes such as weight loss and a healthy diet, along with medications like ACE inhibitors, ARBs, calcium channel blockers, and thiazide diuretics. The choice depends on the patient's profile. Patient-specific approaches. Tailor therapy for the patients. ACE inhibitors for young patients, calcium channel blockers for the elderly, and specific drugs like labetalol and methyldopa for pregnant women. Dosages and titrations. When prescribing, start with the lowest dose and adjust every 2 to 4 weeks depending on blood pressure control and side effects. In summary, hypertension is diagnosed at 140/90 mm of mercury or above, can be primary or secondary, and is treated through lifestyle changes and medications chosen based on the patient's individual characteristics. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For better understanding, check our next video on 10 case-based questions on hypertension.